What's up, guys? This is our first video, and we're gonna be playing Pig with my friend Pierson. Okay, you go first. This is our first video, so our goal is probably like 15 likes or 5. Where did the ball go? Okay, you go. Sorry, guys, he lost his ball, and I don't know where it went. Guys, easy cheap shot. Miss. Flip it, bruh. You're gonna do a layup. Okay. Easy. Let's go. Okay, guys. Do you think you should be able to do this? Yes or no? Put it in the comments. Oh my God, Rita. Now, Daddy. Okay, my turn. Shoot it from there. Oh, Pearson got a P for Pearson.
I mean, yeah, it's at 5:45. They might as well do that. Okay, probably get some of the kids.
Okay, bye-bye, guys.